Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is in my personal opinion the most interesting one. Because here you can check the components of your device. So the code to open the factory test is *558#. And as I said, we are in the factory test, so let's begin with the engineering test. And as you can see here, we've got three modes, three options to choose from. In the first, we've got the tests which are connected to the camera. So for example, we can check the watermark, the front main camera, and the rear main camera, and the rear wide camera test. In the second position, we've got, for example, the SIM card test, the gravity sensor test, the electronic compass, handwriting test, the wake up test, music test, and so on and so on. So as you can see, this list is so wide. What's more, on the third mode, we've got the log configuration, we've got the OTG software update, or we can query email number or set the language. We've got the battery info, and this list is also wide. So let me get back to the second option, and let's check, for example, the handwriting test. After tapping on it, as you can see, we have to draw the lines in those squares or rectangles in order to check if the touch option is working. So if you can see the green color after drawing the line there, it means that it works perfectly fine, that it detects the touch. So let's do it across the screen. Let's try to do it with one line, of course. Okay, and as you can see, if you or your device passed the test, you will be able to see this this green tick icon next to it. Or if it won't pass, then you will also be able to mark it just with this red cross. So let me get back, and let's enter the quality verification test. Here we've got also three different modes, three different options. You've got quality test for the camera, the sensor, and so on and so on. So the touch screen. Here we've got also the development, so we've got the battery debug, or keeping screen bright if you want to. Let's get back. We can also query the email number, so simply we've got the information about both email numbers. Instead of using the very first code which I've shown to you, you can just enter this one and query email. You can reset your device to factory settings. You can check the software information, but actually it do not appear right here. What's more, you can enter the settings. Here you've got some information, and by QC test you can scan this code. Just tap on have scanned, and as you can see here, you've got two different tests also. So you can check the phone, you can check the phone info, brightness test, compass, camera, and so on and so on. So that's all for this code, and I highly recommend to stay there and actually check your device, because you can have fun there. And let me show you another code which will open the general information. It is *#09#. And as I said, here we've got the general information. So again, you can check the email numbers, the barcode, software build version. Here you've got some QR codes. If you want to, you can scan them. And here we've got the serial number also. Let me get back, and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. It is *#4636#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing menu, so here we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let's enter the phone info, and as you can see, we can check the info like the email number, card network, data service, or data network type. What's more, we can run ping test here, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. After getting back, we can enter the usage statistics, and here we've got the full list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time, so we can check that we've been using the settings for above 1 hour. We can of course change the sorting type to the last time use or app name. So of course, for example, after tapping on app name, all of the apps and processes will be listed alphabetically. Let's get back and let me enter the Wi-Fi information. So here we can check the API configuration or the status. So let me pick the status, and here we can refresh the stats to get the information, just like the network state, SSID or network ID. What's more, we can also run ping test here. So let me get back to the dialer and let me show you the last code, which will open the version test. It is *pound *225 #*. And as I said, we've got the version test, and here we've got actually the technical info, so we can check the software build version, compile time, barcode, secure boot, and email info again, and so on and so on. For example, storage flag also. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.